Oboroso bw'omugusi. Omuruburi kubwatya nabo kurigirirwa na kiro muntu.
Muriele Wensoko TV nko kwani kuna ndonsi asore emambia yabona seri tukirigalia merongevere na ibere mutinyo gatano kabere mwaka bw'ikili fubere merongevere na gatano na rimono kwena kwane bwakire bya kuna ndonsi asore asemambia yabona askerekemo keria ogokore mambia eyega no nyino uliore ase sabari na bwega no gandira tukubwati ensoko kura chinse 12 cheke mambia bekera boni ngana ndicherege chinse nyechi bono mambe ne chira kikankego cha Afrika ya muchengo kwariganya asumurubiri gabwetero bini go chakira bono gwika chinsa isano ne muchi bono mubaso asugo kwandira na komorekera yagendere tokorekane mambia ya bono tusanga asugo amo gwetera senchera yo mutanda bwekerera sensemo ya YouTube Ensoko TV Eriane Ishmael Mogere. Somo chakane mambia bono waziri bweke kancheke nene meyense John Mbadi niga kiribusi bwe komiti ya bunge nene yobwonchereri ebe Rwanda ne byombere kwereneri ya maborio igoro yobwonchereri ime serikali nabo igobo tumeki bwechibesa ekati ya maborera nerie nigoro yobwonchereri bwe sukari kulo isikoyense ya Kenya eyo yabereke gutwara obotutukano asege kabono.
For us to be able to know that this sugar is not being diverted, so that this enforcement you're talking about is considered, what measures have you put in place so that you are able to monitor right from the time the sugar was imported to when it is converted to industrial sugar as it is meant or supposed to be and sold to only those people that are allowed to buy the sugar as industrial sugar. Number 2, Chair, paragraph number 7, you have said the relocation of the refinery from Kisumu to Mombasa and changing of the name from Kisumu Kibos Sugar to Mombasa Sugar. Are you certain that there was a relocation? And if there was, where would Mombasa Sugar Refinery then be? Number 3 is paragraph 8, Chair, where he has talked about this sugar being imported raw to be refined into industrial use. So if there was, and the only exemptions that were going to be complied with or applying there was import declaration fee and railway development fee. The presentation by KRA shows that the total taxes forfeited by this particular importation is not only for import declaration fee and railway development fee, it also has import duty, excise duty, value added tax, sugar development levy, merchant shipping levy, total of which, can I continue? Total of which is 2.9 billion, 2,983,118 million. That is total taxes forfeited as we speak today. Your paragraph only talks about 2 specific levies. Paragraph 10, CS, you talk about the laws that allowed you to grant this particular import declaration levy fee and railway development levy fee waiver, and you've quoted paragraph XXV1 of Part A and Part B and X of Part B of the Miscellaneous Levies Act, which Levies Act I have read, and it actually talks about that you can grant, as a Cabinet Secretary, you have the powers under what you call public interest. I would like to know from you, CS, what is public interest? How do you justify what is public interest to allow you to do the granting so that the public understands what is public interest?
Thank you. Let me respond to issues that were raised by Honorable Keitany. She wanted to know that, how we would ensure that sugar is not diverted, the raw sugar would not be diverted into the local market and not used for the intended purpose. First of all, by the way, let me clarify something that probably this committee needs to know. That we provide exemptions on a number of items, number of things, number of products in this country. It's not unique to sugar. Even met steel for different use, for aid-funded or development-funded projects, and many other things. And it is the duty of the line ministry. The request comes from the line ministry. And it is the duty of the line ministry to ensure that the list, the master list that is provided, that those items that are imported, those items where we have either duty remission or exemption, are used or put to intended use. That is number one. But on this specific case, the reason why I even went a step further to convene and have an interagency team to monitor and ensure that the sugar that was imported was actually used for industrial use. There was a dispute. Kenya Revenue Authority had assessed this sugar and said that it is not raw sugar. KEBS, which is having the sole mandate of ensuring quality of products in this country, said it is raw sugar. Kenya Sugar Board said it is raw sugar. So there was that dispute. Now, when I convened the meeting, the first question that I asked was, if this sugar was put on the table today, can it be consumed? I remember asking that question as the chairman of the meeting. I was told by everyone that no. Therefore, I asked, is it industrial sugar or not? And they said, we agreed there that it was industrial sugar. KRA had issues with the coloring and all that. So we agreed there, and it was minuted, and everyone signed the minutes. Those who were present, the list is there. KRA, all these institutions, including the PSS, they signed the minutes and agreed that we form an interagency. That was my idea, that we form an interagency team to monitor that this sugar is not diverted into the local market, because then my concern went beyond my duty, my responsibility in terms of the fiscal, to even the human health, the Kenyan public health. Because if sugar that is brought into the country would be used for industrial use, would be diverted for human consumption, it would be unethical and it would be harmful to life. So I said that even though that is not part of my mandate, but I have a responsibility, and formed a team that was going to ensure that this sugar is only used for industrial use, led by the Kenya Sugar Board, because that is their responsibility. The responsibility of complying to make sure that sugar is not diverted into the market is the responsibility of the Kenya Sugar Board, and that is what we did. And we agreed that they will provide a report to me as the chairman of the committee, two interim reports and final report. They have done one. I'm waiting for the second. I am told that out of the near 28,000 metric tons, about 6,000 has been put to further refining. So that is the response that I would give in terms of how we were going to ensure that this sugar is not diverted into the market.
Order CS.
Yes.
Is it not true that it is your responsibility to make sure that if goods are leaving to be as raw material to be manufactured or refined into sugar, you have to do it under the law, which is under you, maybe under customs warehouse, custom bonded warehouse, or under special economic zone, so that you are sure that the taxes that you have given or that have been suspended are actually taken care of.
Mr. Chairman, if you look at my letter, it's very clear what I said and what that within Kenya Revenue Authority had a responsibility. But beyond that, we formed an interagency team as a matter of precaution, including even security organs, because this was not it was not an ordinary matter. This was a unique matter, where we had a dispute between an industrialist who was feeling that he's being harassed. Actually, the report that came from the State Department for Industry was that we were harassing
CS, I'm just asking, in customs, if you have to secure Kenya from losing taxes, you either manufacture under bond, you either manufacture under special economic zone. What prevents you? Because Mombasa sugar refinery in Kibos is not under any of that arrangement, which means sugar can move out and in at any time.
Mr. Chairman, the sugar for industrial use, the law would allow, and I will come to that we allowed the importation, or we exempted the two levies under public interest, which is provided in law. All right? But we went a step further to ensure that this sugar is not diverted into the market.
Hasense muyende magayo muraiwe kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua kuruko borigo chia sabageni gusaba talikuru iskoyense kuratenenia asiki kogotarira ensi ya Kenya gwikumwa kugocha asingi nchobo sagani chibura buru na boigo okuburo komorembe kagenderete kweni kiwimense nige bunge ya Senate eri libaga gukwanira igoro yenkwane iyo asense mentangani nigo bagi eri enkwane iyo chinga kibaria bako musira Gachagua baereire asobwagerekeria enkwane iyo emineti.
Mr. Speaker, every day, Kenyans continue to appreciate the reason why we impeached Rigathi Gachagua. Mr. Speaker, because the statement is made, Madam Speaker, the statement he made is equatable to economic sabotage, which is treasonous, Madam Speaker. Because the boycotting of a region, of not saying tourists should not visit Kenya or investors, is killing one region, Madam Speaker. We cannot allow such a leader to lead this nation, Madam Speaker. And God forbid, his mindset is only based on a sadist who believes in power hungry, of being selfish at the expense of killing other Kenyans, Madam Speaker. I want to thank the Senate Minority Leader for taking this bold step. He must be called out. And even my newest Deputy Minority Whip, Madam Speaker. Look at the numbers. Last year, Madam Speaker, in conclusion, in 2025, there was 500 billion that was generated through tourism in this country. That one means somebody working in an hotel in Kilifi, Indiani, will have a job. You can see more than 7.9 million Kenyans, tourists visited Kenya. Even here in Nakuru, Narok, Kajiado, and across the country, Madam Speaker. Of that was 2.7 million foreign visitors. And we are targeting more than 3 million foreign visitors, tourists who will visit this country. Madam Speaker, the projection, which will create 10% GDP in 2026, will be US dollars 12.7 billion. We cannot allow Mr. Rigathi Gachagua to come around and create incitement, Madam Speaker, and I want to call to NCIC to take keenly these matters, Madam Speaker. The National Cohesion and Integration Commission must ensure that Mr. Rigathi Gachagua records a statement for inciting against economic saboteurs, Madam Speaker. This is treasonable, Madam Speaker. And therefore, I want to call upon the leaders of coastal region and even us in the Rift Valley, even in Migori, the tourist site, even in Nandi, even in Nakuru, even in Nanyuki. It is not only a coastal affair. This is a national affair that and must be treated with the consideration, Mr. Speaker. And I'm happy, Madam Speaker, in conclusion, that when you saw the info track, he only got 4% support of Kenyans. It shows that this person who is pushing tribal ethnicity, tribal agenda will never see the leadership of this country. And God forbid, if he ever runs for even a national office. Mr. Speaker, in conclusion, Madam Speaker, it was even a grievous mistake to make him the deputy president. And when we saw you in Azimio, Madam Speaker, complaining then, we didn't appreciate it. But we now appreciate why we removed him. And it was a grievous, tragic mistake to have been able to be the deputy president of this republic. And I'm happy each and every year, Madam Speaker, we continue to prove ourselves right while we impeached him, Mr. Speaker. And I know even he has been impeached, even if he runs for any seat in this country, we'll continue to impeachment, Madam Speaker, because he has failed. And that is why even he has restricted to a small village called Wamunyoro, because his thinking is village thinking. He cannot think as a national leader. He cannot think as an international...
Madam Speaker, we cannot allow Cherargei, a lawyer who has never represented anyone, to come here and lecture Rigathi Gachagua without a substantive motion. Madam Speaker, can't you see we have won all Kalau?
Senator,
the whole
Senator,
country understands.
Order, Senator Thangwa. What is your point of order?
Point of order, Madam Speaker, is that Cherargei, Senator Cherargei, is discussing the people's deputy president without a substantive motion.
Senator, order, Senator Thangwa. You know very well that's not a point of order. I'll allow, please sit and you'll get an opportunity to... Yeah.
Point of order 105, when you're giving...
Yes, what is that?
Here,
yes.
Madam Speaker. I've had him discuss the people's deputy president, Rigathi Gachagua.
Senator,
a man that is respected by the people.
Order, Senator Thangwa. You are actually not helping yourself. What are you objecting to?
I'm objecting the senator discussing a person who is not in this house.
Now, that does not fit within the points of orders. Please sit down. I'll call the next person.
In fact, what the Honorable Rigathi Gachagua said is that he's just alerting Kenyans what is making tourists not come to this country. The moment you are doing killings in the country, Mr. Speaker, the moment we have goons running people out of a church, Mr. Speaker, Madam Speaker, the moment we have the DCP truck attacked on a route which is on its way to Mount Kenya, where tourists pass to go to Mount Kenya, you don't expect any tourists to visit. The moment we have people on top of Prados and with guns, and no one knows them, including the Minister for Interior, then you are threatening tourists who want to come to this country. So if you want tourists to come to the country, keep the country peaceful. The moment you are disrupting Maandamano and making killings, the whole world is watching abuse of human rights, Madam Speaker. At the moment the world is watching abuse of human rights, they don't like it. The tourists are not going to come to the country, Madam Speaker, so long as there are human rights abuses in this country. That's what stops tourists from coming to this country. That's what makes the government very unpopular, and therefore, Madam
Senator
Speaker,
Cherargei, what is your point of order?
there is none.
Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. Yet again, Madam Speaker, now close to 2 years since Rigathi Gachagua was impeached, we are still discussing him in this house. We had been told that he will be forgotten in 2 years, in two weeks. Now it's been 2 years. He's yet again on the floor of this house. We keep insisting the way Senator Thangwa has actually said.
Senator Methu, let me guide you. We are commenting on statements made in the House.
Yeah,
Can I guide you to please just discuss, contribute towards the statements made in the House?
I'm not the one who approved this statement, Madam Speaker. This is a statement that was approved by your office. And it has been written.
That is true.
Yes.
And can you speak to the statement?
I'm speaking to the statement. This statement is speaking about Rigathi Gachagua. So we are discussing Rigathi Gachagua here. It is not me who approved this statement. It is not me who sought for this statement. It's your office that already allowed us to discuss him again. So you can't say that...
What is your point of order, Senator Sigei?
Madam Speaker, I would rarely interfere with a colleague who is making contributions, but is Senator Methu in order to direct his concerns to the Honorable Speaker as to whether he should discuss or comment on the statement or ask you questions. Madam Speaker, if he can't debate on the statement or comment on the statement, he has no business threatening the Speaker.
Madam Speaker.
No, there is a point of order that has been raised. Let me guide. Senator Methu, the statement is about the impact of the remarks attributed to the former Deputy President, discouraging tourism from visiting Kenya. So I would want you to make your comments in regard to that statement, please.
I wonder, Madam Speaker, and I want to, either I am not very good in English, or one of us here is not very good in it, because what I said, once again, we are discussing Rigathi Gachagua in this house. Once again, that's exactly what I've said. What is out of order?
That is fair comment. I would say proceed.
Yeah,
proceed.
Exactly,
Honourable senators, let's.
And I know people are very, I see the people.
On what point, Senator Eddy, please.
Madam Speaker, I am standing under Standing Order 101 and Standing Order 105. 105 being statement of fact, and 101 actually does require that if there is a discussion of any individual in this House, there has to be a substantive motion. Madam Speaker, I want to draw from everything, a ritual we do in this House, that when the presidents go, for instance, and makes a remark in the National Assembly.
Senator Eddy, please move straight to your point of order.
Yeah,
don't give an analogy from elsewhere.
Madam Speaker,
Senator Methu, just hold on. I'm guiding the House.
This is the Gunism we're talking about.
Senator Methu, please sit down. No. Senator Eddy, I am the one presiding. So I will be the one to decide who speaks and who doesn't. So can you move straight to your point of order?
So, Madam Speaker, what I'm saying here, the statement we are discussing here is not discussing the persona of Rigathi Gachagua. The statement, it is clearly indicated here, is a statement to condemn the unfortunate remarks made by the former Deputy President.
Senator Eddy, I will call you to order and ask you to sit down. He did not talk about persona of the Deputy President. Please sit down. I have ordered, please, let Senator Methu finish and then you can respond. I'll give you an opportunity to make your remarks. Thank you.
Speaker, first, I'm surprised that you're saying let Senator Methu finish, and I've not started. I just said just 4 words. I've just said 4 words. Madam Speaker, I just said yet again.
Yes, 4 words means you have begun, you will finish, isn't it?
So why don't you allow me to then speak? When you
Order, Senator Eddy. Order, Senator Cherargei. The only person I've allowed to speak is Senator Methu.
You know what they are looking at is the time. They wanted to get to 6:30.
Please.
So now, Madam Speaker, I wish there was a verbatim quoted about what His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua said, so that then we can discuss the import of what exactly he said. And Madam Speaker, I wonder whether these people who are running this country, especially the ones who are in charge of our security apparatus, actually know what they are doing to this country when they allow this country to be a goon nation. That everything and everywhere, goons are just everywhere, because that is exactly what Rigathi Gachagua was speaking about. Just imagine, if a tourist was to come to Kenya, and they find and they see gun-wielding people, because we have never seen that kind of thing, Madam Speaker, that a person is on top of a Prado, just shooting aimlessly in a small by-election that is in Orkalau, Madam Speaker, because that is exactly what was the import of what you were speaking about, Madam Speaker. Do you actually think, and do the President actually...
I have overruled the point of order, please.
Yes, thank you, Madam Speaker. Thank you. Do the people who are in charge of the security of this country...
Senator Cherargei, order. Senator, you will respect the chair.
ase gikaro kigukwanira igoro yaria aganiri gwikiranirwa erigusikense ya Kenya bosio na koya korako bense ntangani kiuchumi ensengima nigeng'ana yobomo okubwaterana nabo yabikiro bosio gwetani kende gionsi ase kwane ayo murai wense William Samuel Ruto kurwase nyumbene nayo murai wense nigarure okuboria gochase ebyombe bikwana no borendiko ene kemuna ngokiani bire ebirengo byogosagani ime yense erigokonya na gutoria ense ya Kenya.
China, Asia started like a joke. That was Japan. They moved to South Korea. South Korea got its independence in 1957 together with Ghana. See where South Korea is and where Ghana is. And sometimes, Your Excellency, people have opposed to this. But there must be something wrong, and I want the researchers to carry it out by themselves. Maybe the DNA associated with us on this continent is a DNA pegged to poverty. Because an African would like to, if you say no, I would ask you, Professor, to show me your own personal monthly budget. An African operates without a budget or any plan at all. I'm saying so because if you are serious, we have our seat. Let us start with ourselves. Do you know Kenya in this region is a satellite of economic activities in this region? You know, Kenya has able manpower in both in terms of any area of management, be it hospitality, name it, manufacturing, engineering, and so on. But do you know our city has no organized public transport? What's the problem? Our city has no properly organized transport. And I can tell you here, we can mend billions in this country. See what the Egyptians did. They removed stones from the River Nile, from Aswan to Luxor, took away the crocodiles to Aswan Dam, organized that Nile, which comes from Lake Victoria, to become a big source of tourism, put their cruise ships, they attract 2 million tourists a month, when we are struggling to have 1 million tourists in this country in a year.
But to achieve what we are talking about, you're talking of 25 years. Others were patient for 40 years. There's the biblical one, 40 years and so forth. So, my takeaway is this, that let us understand there's a lot of impatience, and therefore we must adjust to address that. Otherwise, it will consume our society. The second issue that I would just want to take away is that we all must be aligned. We must move together. If you're a fan of Liverpool Football Club, you must never walk alone. We must walk together to make sure that we carry everybody. We must reduce the lead time in the policy formulation to the point of implementation. Our legislature has got to play a very pivotal role in helping anchor these good policies into law. Time is of essence. Finally, Your Excellency, it takes courage and determination. What you are pushing through today, and I've chosen that word deliberately, pushing through, because Wakenya ni wagumu. The affordable housing agenda, rehabilitating the river in Nairobi, pushing to have the development that goes in. If we don't have a way of managing even the framework of public participation, and Parliament, I'm coming back to you to help us. There's a law pending. Please help us reduce this extremely elongated process of public participation. I'm not saying dispense of it, but surely we cannot be going through public participation on a policy for 3 to 4 years and expect to get to Singapore. We will need to work together.
On why we don't get it right as Africans, as black people, and that is confidence. I think we have all these factors, you know, a young population, good land, mineral wealth, but the confidence, the belief in our ability to do it like everybody else is something that we must build in ourselves. And you've led us very ably, Mr. President, in reminding us the need for us to believe in our country, to believe in ourselves, and make sure that nothing takes away our country's long-term interest from our view. So, Your Excellency, today is not my day. I am just very excited that this is a good discussion that we are having as we look into the future. And Professor Nyong'o and the other distinguished members of his team, and I hope in going forward we'll have women members into this thinking, and our young people as well, so that we discuss the future together as you lead us and you guide us in how we move now that we have a starting point from our good brother Prof and the team.
I have been following the debate, you know. We had the demonstrations, democratic, constitutional, legal. But we also have criminals and thugs and characters who destroy people's property, steal from people, burn down buildings. And you know, we are unable to make a decision. You know, you find people who've come to town, they've destroyed, burned down shops, destroyed people's property. And, you know, the conversation is, please, you know, these are our children. You know, these are our children, so we must listen to them, which is okay. You know, yes, must listen to them. We continue. Some people arrested, you know, with criminality, taken to court. They're given a bond of 200 shillings. They live there, you know, because they are our children. And then they go on. They now go to political rallies. And then we have goons. And then I don't know whether we want to say again, these are our children. The goons. So, you know, we really need to have a candid conversation about criminality, the rule of law, security of our nation. It cannot be the case. There cannot be any defense for criminality. There cannot be any defense for breaking the law. I am very happy that the last time there was an attempt for criminality in town and we stopped it, many Kenyans agreed that no, it's now time for us to say no to people who want to ban our property. And that is going to be the future. It's now clear that everybody, every sector of our society, the business leaders, religious leaders, political leaders, have all agreed that having lawlessness, goons and all these other characters, criminals, should be stopped. Now that we have a consensus, our security agencies must do their job. Within the law, they must do their job and they must stop criminality. That is how we are going to secure Kenya's future.
Abaraina babwatani be serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigo bagendere ni nchiri yo gusire serikali ngaki bayirire etaro yabo gwika ensemo ya Northeastern Kenya bakorago no monogerwe bunge henene Moses Masika Wetangula mu waziri bobo Chenu Aden Duale Faruk Kibet na baraibande nigo baruro kubori gochiase abamenyi barongo abroborogongoruo kubwate bibande bosio bobo chorio bonene bumwako gocha asiboigo bagendere kwerera emirubiro oya magendero eyo agendere tegwikiranirwa naboigo erachiwikiranirwa ne serikali yerituko.
Sisi kama viongozi wa kule juu tukiwa katika serikali tunataka kuhakikisha wewe mkaaji wa Lafe unajivunia kuwa Mkenya kama mkaaji wa Nairobi au kwingine, kwa sababu sisi zote ni jamii moja. Leo hii tukiwa hapa, mimi ni kuambia tu watu wetu, kwanza tuungane, pili tukiwe na amani, tatu wale hamna vipande, mumeona tumefika hapa na nawashukuru ofisi ya Interior kwa kuleta kuandikisha vipande kwa wananchi. Na washukuru watu wa IBC kwa kuleta waandikishaji wa wapiga kura kwa wananchi. Ili kama wewe huna kipande uchukue, kama ujiandikisha kura uandikishe. Ikifika 2027 tunawaomba na kuwarai. Sisi kama nchi tumekuwa na marais 4 na nyinyi wenyewe mnaona tofauti. Viongozi wenu wamesema kwamba leo ndio mnaona kwamba utamu wa serikali unaweza kufika hapa kwenu. Na hii utamu wa serikali lazima ulindwe. Hii utamu wa serikali lazima uzingirwe. Hii utamu wa serikali lazima usungumuziwe. Ndio tunawaomba ikifika 2027 tarehe 10 mwezi wa 8, kila mtu akiamuka anasema Ruto Markale, Ruto.
Kalau, the former member of parliament who passed on, was a Jubilee candidate. Haikuwa kiti ya UDA. Olkalau ilikuwa ni kiti ambayo ilishinda na marehemu kwa chama ya Jubilee. Alafu wewe unarukaruka kama umeshinda mtu, umeshinda Uhuru Kenyatta, mkabila kama wewe. Ten by-elections and many other MCA elections. Na usitupigia sisi kifua. Usitupigia kifua sisi kuanzia Western, Nyanza, Northeastern, Coast, Upper Eastern. Na hiyo mchezo Mheshimiwa Wetangula anajua, hiyo mchezo tulicheza 2007. We are going to unite the people of Kenya, those who believe in the unity of our nation. Mheshimiwa William Ruto, ile kazi ilishindwa na Uhuru Kenyatta ya housing, ya universal health coverage, ya kuleta mbolea bei rahisi, kuajiri walimu zaidi ya 1500 wameajiriwa katika hii mkoa hii. watoto wetu walikuwa hawakuwa na walimu. William Ruto ndio amekuja, amewaajiri walimu zaidi ya 5,000 in these 3 counties. Barabara zetu hatujawahi kuona barabara. Barabara kutoka Mandera mpaka kutoka Isiolo mpaka Mandera inajengwa. William Ruto anaulizwa hiyo barabara ni ya nini? And we want to tell them, msipowacha, kwa sababu Rais William Ruto anapigwa sababu ya ukabila. Anaambiwa mbona wewe unaunganisha Kenya? Mbona wewe unaleta usawa katika nchi yetu? Mbona wewe Mkisia anapata haki yake, Mluya anapata haki yake, Somalia anapata haki yake, Muislamu na Mkristo wanapata haki sawa? William Ruto, the only crime he has committed is by bringing equity to our people. And we are telling them, nyinyi mwende barabara ya ukabila. Sisi wengine, sisi tuko na barabara ya kuunganisha Wakenya kila kabila.
Mambo ya vitambulisho vile tumeona hapa Speaker akisindua, hii vitambulisho ipeane bila kuuliza maswali watu hapa. Ipeanwe bure bila kuuza jambo lolote, hivyo ama si hivyo? Kwa hivyo mimi nataka tu niseme ya kwamba leo ni furaha kwamba mambo ya vitambulisho imejitokeza, watu mmejitokeza kwa wingi, tulikuja tukafanya harambe. Mimi nafurahi kufika hapa Lave.
Ama kuchukua kiti ya Olkalau sio kushinda serikali. Olkalau haikuwa ya Kenya Kwanza. Olkalau ilikuwa ya Uhuru Kenyatta. Unanisikia? Tulikuwa tunataka kuchukua tu, lakini haikuwa yetu. So kushindwa Olkalau si kushinda William Ruto, si kushinda Kenya Kwanza, si kushinda broad based government. Hiyo haina kitu hapo. Unajua hatuwezi enda na mtu ambaye sahi anasema tourism ya watu wa dunia wasikuje kukuja hapa tourism. Mtu ambaye anasema hivyo hatuwezi enda kwake. Unajua mtu anataka Wakenya wasipate mishahara tena, walimu wasipate mishahara, polisi wasipate mishahara. Kwa hivyo Kenya si italala kabisa, si Kenya itakufa. Mtu aina hiyo hatuwezi chagua yeye, hatuwezi enda na yeye. Na sisi Mheshimiwa Waziri tumeamua ya kwamba tutafikisha kura yetu 3,000,000. Sisi Mheshimiwa Speaker, Mheshimiwa Waziri Duale, sisi tumeamua kura ya North Eastern itafika 3 million. Na kila MB ya North Eastern tumejipatia target. Tuko na target ya kuregister watu wetu, na tutadeliver hiyo number. Kwa hivyo sisi tuko na numbers ya kutosha. Tutaregister watu wetu ambaye walikuwa wanafanya mfugo tu, walikuwa wanafanya nomadic life, hawakuwa wanaregister. Lakini tumeherefuka sahi. Tumeherefuka, tunajua nani anatusaidia, nani hatusaidii. Kwa hivyo tumeamua William Ruto tutam.
Eje Nensoko TV, uboroso bumugusi. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ughaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities, and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently, we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721151500 au 0729690571, au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizoko jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri ugucakirimo ugakweba ebetri uregene cinga kichonsi ebenga kiyeriberera gosenga kiyobokendu tawe candika Autobat Kenya Limited no turegigiga asingichao nigo tokorosia na koni chibetri uratumia cinga kichonsi chibetri uratumie asegari enke ebasi no nyaneri kurukuru.
Tunapopitia pale kwa gari yako tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka na battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof. Kumaanisha hiyo betri haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo betri imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss. Kumaanisha sasa hiyo betri hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wa kujamstatiwa, wachana na betri kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Betri ni Autobat.
Ubugima n'urugendo rw'atamange amaya n'amabe umusakito Linet Nyambane niga ng'aririe imena isiko ya gusi na gusanga n'abayaeteire n'abakuyaetera
nchekera na igore twe unango tebiwa ndabona igore tukinde buya ngakina kinde buya ekera na chiwe ke miaka sta ngachaka ngondifero po ngoira samagoro wani kamenya gutokanga na twali roga wana wacha gitego
aya nime yo muroberyo bumwenori kirali tukule Jumatano chinsaiber chabutuko imeya Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi. Chinchira chito chigekoro nigo chirasoko goselwa konene gosiriwa ne chinchira chekerero ekira kikiagarira Nsoko TV twachire gutorigesa ko kyomugusi kurwa soko limera asendiba y'abanyandwarero
oboroso bw'omugusi bwegekerwe omugusi bono ne chinchira chiago goikaransanse na kubeke TV yao kwene kingangwe somyo regekoro kyomugusi
wetro muroberyo bw'igekoro gyeito hasi tokomera nabaga kaba Samuelere nabuigabange nabanyika iligo kwanira okwebo ya chindagira amasikani chinyangi nemejega ao y'umugusi
kera litsuko ria ramisi chinsaibere igoro imeye TV yao na mbeye Nsoko TV
na Stephen Nyarike Mbunde tolende ekimira
eye ne Nsoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi
Yegoro yeito imeye Nsoko Nsoko Yegoro yeito imeye Nsoko Nsoko kibengia ya jire ngumanga bunalero
Mrna nabali bechinguru erikwe manyabo na wataka kuruchitana nyechiense Frida Kerubo Innocent Onyango Clinton Ondigi Diana Ndemo Ishmael Mogere Linet Nyambane Daniel Omwaga eke na kigekos kiamesa yamangana mayia Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi.
Karibu na ndo mwanchumu rigereria mambi abone dakika ne ya mwegure chinsi sano chia bono mambi asensemo yende ya kabere maiga yokwemanya aliagenderete mambi ya bono asokoswa asenkwane yaito emambia yega seri tukerigalie Jumatano na ime studio ndine no mogene na chuko kwanya kurabuntosoe ase enkwana yaito ase mambia yega tusanga sobwa mugwetera senchera yo mutanda gwekerera asensemo ya YouTube Ensoko TV namba ya mawasiliano ni yere noti isano na ibere isano na isato isano na isato isano na mara gatano mweri obeka isato na tume ujumbe ya goroba no chikunya liba gali wa KCM enga kitondreta gusanga emambia ya bono iga korwa asesemo ye bunge ya Westlands kutoka ase county iga ya Nairobi tiangarago kwani ime Ensoko ase emambia ya bono. Karibu sana kwani yangu umwoliereri
abantu baminto andonsi asemore chingongo nye chense yaito ya Kenya nabakwani naende bwakire buyaiga amalieta nengoro ko mheshimiwa Ronald Ayera Nyoro yonkorwa constituency ya Westlands constituency Nairobi City County na ende gonde umunyakero we county ya Nairobi we chama ya UPA yani United Progressive Alliance buyamano.
Karibu sare mambia yabono mheshimiwa akara toko chaka enkwana yaito niko toko yechaka kurase ali asetwa kolera so mugano bwo mwerio no mugano bwo mwerekero kwayo ligereria niko bwate ne nchiri neragendera tukogendererwa kurase semeria ya serikali abanabara ina babwate ne serikali ya Kenya kwanza ne nchiri babwate gane yo gusire serikali na babere bakara chisemo babere Western na monokura sensemo ya Western no amangana kare kerogo kwego yo kurukuna nera Faruku Kibeti karawo kwana uchakire koraliriyo yo kurukuna nera Moses Masika Wetangula igoro yoburaibu mwako 2032 akomotebi na buna egesa kukyomolo yenga kiya inu yaikire yoko gamba no murayoregaiga Moses Masika Wetangula nicho kwandira nseme yo akega korende kerikeri kiengencho mononkelina ekeroko ligereria bali bako yandire merubiri yega mbali batakani gwikirania yega muntu ro mutangani oyo no monogerwe bunge nene Moses Masika Wetangula taganirio kubwata ni bona mangana siasa sengenche kerwo kelio sabo karali bwa ni gobogana iriko base bungeria ya bungeria nene ntubwata Amason King the same alafu ntubwate paka mu waziri nkwe wade nduale bona gukwana gocha na aba waziri bande na bonse berwara se serikali na bwego lichiko liete ntoma etena inkiri gukwana igoro yabali baraba kwali emirimo ase serikali na mona aba waziri na aba igabande bonse ipi gotebwatani na siasa igoro ngane yegengima etwasiriro boroso
bia mano sana umuralia asoko ngaliba kana ende kuboli liboli ligi ya sana mwaka 2010 aba Kenya mbeete ekatibenya bekea machika manya ayako ba govern amatuka maega engaki ya moi ebinto bya gakolirwe njira gete twabwate constitution gete yare kunyanyaso mwana inji ase njira yende ebinto byare okorwa batari kubwatia machiko Kobe constitution yenye so 2010 okwegena nkolinga kero muntu gagwenda kokore gasi ya independently mbona bona onye ko speaker ya National Assembly go gwenda ko impartial togone tiko take sides togone tiko kwegerera serikali togone tiko yegerera opposition ayigo gwenda ko very independent na inde mukorio mere monde bwensi ore civil servant mukori mere monde bwensi ore civil servant tagone tiko ba informed in politics mpaka ukorireki uri signed bone kero konyora abantu buna bono GCS chiko genda ku campaign lie serikali for example magana yo rikarau no nyina itwaro lire gabo ne gabu ngoma Moses Wetangula ate no speaker ya National Assembly kapisa ago campaign li the current regime aina magosa manene sana so ekere serikali yego cha kogosa ekere bago cha kokora mamojo emotion ere tu bunge naba bunge ngaki Wetangula go cha kororekana na tanyare gokora injustice na tanyare gutine na burunge asenge chobone igororekanire ere ne kiparaka ge serikali so egento bagokora na mamojo those are independent officers they should do their work independently na ende bahudumia bana inchi onye kore bunge ohudumia ba bunge without any partiality otene ine imara utari go campaign ile serikali go opposition, so they are going against the constitution. Na inde ngane ya iri mpaka no nyen court. I'm very much aware nge ekoti njate banga wetangura tabazo ko ba informed desa mangana siasa tabazo ko informed desa siasa ende yonse,
lakini chike kuliko sikwa,
lakini era nyene ogenda rire gokorabo bade kiragende to gokorabo okuno kogenda maminja yeri chiko goikia tobu atie constitution tu ete muna Kenya na ndikero mutawa riri chiko singe njonde tayo uri igoro yeri chiko ewa
neri chike tuko kwanere liganeirie kungusa chinse ya mochionsi ebe no mwana nchi kawaida ebe no mwana siasa ebe no murai ebe no mutaka ebe no monda bonse, lakini imeyense libolindi lina ekenkwana kiwakere boli asenge nchoko nyorana ae mochenyo kale gentege sinini gagose uli kenyone na mangana so mutandao amangana ali usina labda niko kare komo che serikali bintu gete bibiri bitatu use ensemo na roro rutalia utari guchena na mangana ali use utari kwegana na mangana ali kwanya ari gukobeka gali niko gochirwa se embero mono so tena nyone ni jukua se kwaro kwana likonda iga okwa na mangana ali atalia maya basi ogochirwa abu lakini tiga muntu gete eratenene na bagukwana na bagokora kende gionse na bwato bosibole, lakini ase mwana nchi kawaida akorana ichikeliga ndikaliyo kora miremo ere ni gakomiwa
omuralia onye tutakete gokonye nsei onye tutakete gokonye nsei yaito kuikatosikeri chiko kuikatobwatiri chiko ebo monene ebo moke obe maskini obe tajiri kuikobwatiri chiko obe gore sibo savant obe gore ase serikali kuikobwatiri chiko kuikosikeri chiko inche. For example, muna Nyoro, nchene politician, kuru 2013. I'm not in the government, I'm in the opposition. So, ega asiyane kerendo opposition, no kuligerelia amakosa alia bali wale serikali bagokora nyakwane. Ekerengo kuwana amakosa haya, ayekirole serikali, togwene ndikutumia chinguru chiao nga inordinary serikali oche kombwata ko oche ko ngarashi. Because ya maganango kuwana taligo na akorama. Na maganango ko tebingana ki ya gasi ya gosinyira otale kurasuka no ndenere na acha aikaransera akore buya gosonsukere nchiche na nchi enkore buya egekogera talia ebweka twespinto bwate rights cheito. So amagana intimidation go intimidate opposition leaders, go intimidate normal citizens ekereba ko their opinion. That one is very wrong because they are within their right so long as batara interfere na right ya muntu ndebwensi.
Kurase ensemo ya Westlands tutarasuka mutwe niwe yari ngaswe omuchakano Westlands ndo china nkonya kwebanga more timu wanyonyi mwamuto metomboga mutaina moga kabono siyaikere genda nkana ndo swera ensemo eliende ya Linda Mwananchi and of course ntwate kiama kya ODM lakini uko bakana inkolega Westlands na kile so far so good mwato metomboga kama mutaina genda Bungoma
ndio mono sana umeshimwa timu okolire gasi ya Westlands muno monto na bwato buya bwaye no babe bwaye but fairly ora kolire gasingia but mwana siasa ndebwensi igenga omwana uli okogende skuru gosoma omwana kera ko ende skuru gosoma iga gosoma oemetinga kani nsome na nje ko bagento gete njeko bombo na biashara omuya omwana siasa mbe president mbe engineer abe gento gete gionse bono timu wanyonyo bere member of parliament ya Westlands for now several years ya ikirenga kibona ate ko graduate aligiopo governor ororire nga the only place ara nyorobo governor Bungoma. So intumuna bantu wa Westlands we wish him well again the Bungoma aligi obo governor buayo, but at the same time we want to assure him that we as the people of Westlands we are very organized, we are ready to do anything better than what he was doing, so that to make sure our people continue getting services the way they were getting. We are not going to stop ngasenge ncho mheshimiwa bono chire Bungoma ngabantu wa Westlands singo chande kabale. No, we are very ready and we have experience. Like now for my example, I've been in politics for 2013 paka bono iga ninki ntamanye tigoro yoburai. There is nothing I don't know. Na adigire kero kyo wa MCH ntunda isato. I know the whole constituency, everybody. I know all the corners. So we are sitting down, we organize ourselves, elinde toiso visi area asarenga wakolegasi tokolere abana inchi gasi. There is no vacuum at all. Yeah, vacuum teyo.
Kurwali ase atigere gwikira boni iga kerekeri bona gasoka na gutira guchigoro alia asegati ebintu biri akorire na ase aikeire egati ebintu biria mokogendereri korwa alia ase atigeire ngai mogochakire sabari ebono ase ngichase nari sabari yaye yaikeire bas noko yegendereri bono gochakira gagwire kwene kine constituency ya Westlands kogenderere komesa chinga kichensi
ase ebintu biri omweshimiwa are gotema na amagana ya masomo port from infrastructure amuna bursary allocation omweshimiwa ngotema no bursary allocation iwa challenges chiae lakini asa magana ya infrastructure ngotema arenge sana wagachi chiskuru chinyinge Westland sigaiga keroko genda abana bagosomera in a very conducive environment no nyene chipara chirororo ngotema are chiria konyara gokora ngokorare chinde chia atari konyara gokora chire igoro ya enkorobi ale paka chipara twanyora chipara chire chingia ito ko murusi magoso manene but what we are saying ingeringa ke we are equally ready kogendererie mirime yemia ko make sure abana baito bachire skuru tuwabaire jibasari tuwagachire birasi ebiasa abana bagosoma and there is also a secure environment asekero muntu agokora ebintu biaye nyino muna biashara akora ebintu biaye onye na civil servant kero muntu akora ebintu biaye that is what we want abasingira abamaya security ebingia everything kerege kebe muna kiarenge we are going to build more schools chiskuru chinyinga so I want to tell him omweshimwa timu nga even as you are going be sure nga we will continue with what you are doing and make it even better. Vacuum edite yego chigotoka andons. Abana baito bakabasome boronge. Chibasari we are aware as a weaknesses chiarenge. We have pointed out munanja as a personally sina rekora magoso na moto ibiri several lingana kire kepishe bintebia. Omadajiza jinera bakonyaranga I know mweshimiwa. Mbote do kore bintu in the right way but abantu bali maega yao kwamba yakonyora wa kore bintu nchiragete mbe so those gaps we have identified them and we are ready to make sure that we make them better, we see the gaps and make service delivery better onye neji basari better kama ni classrooms togese kabisa to make sure nga bana baito nkogenda bali school mwana tayo go serigwa mwana tayo I myself like nyono munango ikaranzire kerogekyo 2027 mune member of parliament ya Westlands constituency I will make sure na soire binyoroime using my people I will make sure na soire binyoroime abana bali bagotigere school njera ngo mwana oikire form 4 ngabono kolire school mwana itara kora school mwana oikire form 4 tara kora school oino mwana wende kubwatu okoboko agende college acha somere genta ko somera ache kwe konya bali bande batari kudara bago ikase giteiga bakwama to baire driving schools banyore skills abande to baire polytechnics banyore skills ekyo that one will elevate insecurity as a county ekera kero monta bana bali busy the youths bali busy basombire they are doing their own things abantu ba kolega siyabono molembe lakini society ya ebwata abantu batakite school igeko problem a total disaster so we are very ready onde tayari I'm ready kuhakikisha ngatu akolire gazi in Westlands constituency asenjire ngiya mono muna goetani tare gokorwa ewa
again tongeregia chakire gwesokia na kororekana and of course nigo giachaite kurase orogongo rwa gusi chinsemo chibunge iberegaria no chimanyete chibunge chiyekero kwaligereria nekera masakara chake togosoka igiro botumeki bwe chibesa kurase report mu auditor general gochego chero kibotumeki bwe chibesa bwa bintu bya bere byokorekana especially sesemu yichikonda na kugore bintu konyorana ebese ngo chere karenyone 200 million ase constituency of course kurwalia ngakineri yange 160 lakini bono konye gukinere gocha igoro okonyorana enchira ebese gocha yatumekwa aigabono no muchando kale na again tukiganira kugurwa 1050 nigo konyora kebekere paka 1200 again tukiaganira kokorekana wetera se budget 1100 ekeri yakiniwe nigo gekare 1.8 was even 2 million igebiretina obokurumi negatie bintu biria bikoene kigwa nabo igo bikorekana kurwa sense area yabarai nabo ibgendere takole mali of course obokorari nabo igo botumeki bwechibesa kurwa se semo yebunge ya Westlands nabo igo korengana no murubiri ryo bwate gochia busi ogaiga keranyarikana na gwanyorere kerugeke koene kina ebese yiga ngotumekwera senchirere ngia nabo igo terigo chikobuna because nabora anyoreka nabera tukane nambu yori lakini bali bagwetana ine nabwo bagenderete koenekia obokurumi nainde inabasi na isa inomara ya CDF singicha babunge mbari bataranchira nebe sene ise baterande nega ni comment omon
bia mono moralia egento giaitire ense yaito no bokurumi yani ubwibi kotumi ofisi yao konyore egento kerigeta koringite ekina kigiaitire ense ye tochakire iguru igorari office ya president mpaka anse ekero kuri kire bintu bigokoru no nyine chibese gitoko genda cyo twaegunga nechi loan toko egwa koru World Bank and other organizations chibese je chigocha kwamenya konyora chanyolire menganyugete ga chiaso kogo chikorigeri the development projects chiri chibese chiakolire sorry chibese chiakolire kwanyora nga project nchiyo chire tangible project nchiyo chiro chekaine chibese chiakolire so inche muno monto inagotebinga I've been in this game for some time bono na eteira magoko yabaraia bange na ende na rigere iri mune bintu bigokorekana egento nkeringana ki you have to be physically present in your office ko ikobe physically present in your office amagana yote manga bono no bwate the committee what the CDF committee
the
secretary ngabona na bwotigirete bakorigere liye
karansa alafu ngakresi mine kimwakora
na bako report ya sore kwabenya kubege na nje training ya nene I will not trust you 100%. I can't trust you 100%. I can trust you but to an extent lakini tinko go trust 100%. I will make sure I'm present njo monyene na role what is happening regularly and also abana inchi bali bakonyora services those are very important bali na ubako kwa the feedback bali na ubako kwa tebinga whatever is happening is not the right thing ebintu ebyolikeire ga bolikeire bosa ebine bintu likeire lakini igalia ase ground kenenkeyo we have seen nonyena ase amagana ya basari allocations. There are so many things that are happening which are not right. Muna bono. Kwanya oro monto akonya akori keruchi basari no nyeni 10. Omonto ori keruchi basari no nyeni 5. Omonto yo mako genda nacho. Na ndo omonto ko mwana umurai. Na ndo mambi umurai yo katabanga kinga chibasari ngabantu mbangi bire chibasari.
Na kia konyora malieta wichiri yabana. Singicho konyora omonto abwato mwana yo musa abana babiri.
Amalieta gako emanate korua se committee area mandated. A committee area mandated. The committee nere go shirikiana na abantu getari baros but at the end of the day ekirayo mna nayo mwishimiwa gosoma chibaza liye gosoma malieta kabisa gosoma malieta iko ko monto yomo chibaza no ni komi abande barega ari bana babo banya ko end school that means you do not know what you are doing office yeyo igere nene ko wetani iwoga ne iriko ruoro omonto mwakoreki omonto mwaso asenge njo oikogende ground ikukia bana inji bago kwana tiago konyora information asabantu ali bakoreki abantu bali bago singirete ga ngana ubaho ko information go to the ground chibeza ja CDF tigisaine ekikana iriko gese because ikine chibeza chiko cha say ground gokonya abana inchi this is the money chiko che ground kiri cha chire ground chikonye abana funsi eskuru chikonye vijana bagende the tertiary institutions banyore bursaries tuwaga chire birasi this is the money tutagete chigesu equally na ende tutagete pia chibeza chigesu naenda ase account because naende chine chibeza bado chiko say ground because chibeza chine national government toli korora besa gas kichibesa chigokora nuko nyago eta gaiga ngokora nga chiba election y'abantu bakogorirwe meito bakoebo chibesa nga ichikuru chibesa chichi abara chigasi ga yoli karaunga ichikuru chibesa chichi areko gore bikoro to gari nga ichi areko chirine chibesa cy'umwana inji chikana iriko gende ground chikole development
kwanse bakare kuboli na chigasi nchena nul kalau lakini bwana mitungi eliye chigasi ya keroko ligereria manyete nto manyete se petrol station ose asura gando refill bakare kuboli na irangieri geko era ngai bagocha kwada ku refill
ibona ngo te biyo morari nge problem to buate in this republic no go tabuatie constitution ogo tabuatie katiba ekeroko irege ntokenga muna keri ochiko mwana inchi ngelinda kero muntu ochikura eine bribe number 1 number 2 okomo egento keri uma eta gutumia limo kere asayara baso arakoreki aragende kogenda ara chiko charge iyo nga agutumia limo ogo wakere kura mwakoranire you see bono buno boibi that is corruption chibese jingi chitabe keru ase school muna bono asama kana education the higher education chibese chibe ko chi university tertiary colleges abana basome ngioko irero muntu burangeti ngioko irero muntu maturesi kabwate maturesi ataragosa Those are some of the things toko tabangana ki eserikali ebono igere one term na ina bagwenda ko one term because egasi abasinyire omashimiwa ro Dr. William Ruto no twarenge ne ODM. You know we left the Liberal Democratic Party to gacha ODM gakia machungwa. We were together 207 omashimiwa Ruto we were together ntutuweze na banafunzi bara ira Odinga including himself kwarole eke twarenge ODM twaroche mbu yao kwa lebi lakini bono omete na achiri gusanga anga bone serikali ya musinyire Korani musinyire nga ibone bintu bya musinyire
batayona agunchuka
he is not in touch he is not in touch biamono
asense muyendekera tuko kwanire igoro yenseme yo yenibo iri gutumikwa gwatebire na amangana naraiga yo kwana lyaki elio muntu amanye gwakira ekura gemeretina abwe budget ngima yakire nkwaro cheke ombege ibisingi asoke tigari data ekwerana buna olio koligekero kyo brai wense nigaganire gutumike maximum of up to around 4 billion around 4.4 billion era basaganire gutumika as a campaign bono libolire gandire na we igekene umuntu ratumeke campaign 4 billion ebese yina ndito meto no musharo enire ngore totebena nikiro kyobora iwense musharo around 1.4 kwa komenta marupurupu lende yamanye kutacha which around 2 million igabo ekero kuli ebinte byonse ebese ye konyo tumekire 4 billion na kyago chako yera ni bono nainde e budget ye gengima because nyono kuranse mo yaba MCA mbabekere kiwango kyabo aba MP chiaringa up to around 40 million echiri chikarire na bona chigo chakuliera up to around even 200 million okare kambiro bo governor ngokina bari bana nyana 500 million go chimweno ebese yeiga ngayera ayino yegwata bana
byamono muralia omanyete ekiombeke kya ABC ekene kiombeke gwata abantu abanyi bacho bisi na inde gotuwa kagete ngana kingo chakabale gasi nuko okuguru okulyo lakini bono ndoje ngabale go chake gasi ye nokuguru okobe mari practices chakolekana ulikara uga tindarora a position yabo engiyanereriye because abantu bono bako target n'abantu abangao ligereria obo tumekibwe kibeza city campaign omaito muralia egento kwende koba ideally ongwende ko genda saba na inchi ngoni sera chiana saba na inchi mbate binga nche igonta keteko bakorera iga nkoreiga mbaroseriri chiko ndiri chibese chino ngambi ya chiko tumika na ende mbali present boruge kwarore ekere nabaerese ire abana inchi boka batumie akiri yabo barolenga egati ya nyoro noyo ningo togochora nabo kikwena ndeko baigo tekwene tiko ba nga okende asaba na inchi oseko ba bribe ne chibesa ideally chibesa chiri oigwete bono chikukwano 4 million nini chibese chikukwano chibese chikukwano asinga nchi yokugura materials ngakiye campaign nkonyolenga nota keteko you need to move koiko fueri egari wanu koiko beke chiposta kwarore koiko akane agents bali bago chikukuligere lichiko bachikukuligere lichikura lakini ende chibese chitalinga nchiri okokore kwirende ogochiko gotumia konga abana inchinga bagwakere chikura tegwene ndiko begesa ukinga muneke na ende nchigwene ndiko banga chibesa chinyingi echigwene ndiko ba chibesa chinke ekerekero umuntu abwadeti a concession ekero umuntu abwadeti chibesa chiayenga of course tokotaka kubodi chikura utabwadike na kyora rosi campaign materials tokonyara rosi campaign materials egento ndutokoboli IBC tigana na magana yechibesa ototagete mobe impartial motene neimara motene neimara murigere lirichiko na ende motene nerobu maene ndotake tikorora abantu bako ba bribe ndotake tikorora abantu bako egwe bintu mbali ndotake tikorora gunism iko ndotake temotene neimara ende tokore campaign ya itotoka ende toweresa abana inchi batwakere chikura lakini taliko gora abana inchi ine re problem aba Kenya tobwatega bono kero montaji anda bono kira atumire chibeseji esi utumire no ine billion yem go 5 billion ko ligo president okago so bizi ngaya kanya chibeseji bose chibeseji gago chinyora gwetene njira yobo kurumi enda asichinde chionse serikali ya yego cha koenana ekiki backing kero 30% ko ikanyo aira ni chibesa chiae because ikine chibesa chiae atumire lakini ngonye ndiri ya tulibaga agenda ali saba na inji aba erese aba onisera chiae asenchere ndonge Primary yeta hiyo taligo cha kutumia chibesa chinyingi Kenya nga chibesa chinyingi chiye bango chibesa chikusangirirwe bango kose chinde chiarira meguko y'abantu baya kuira ni chibesa cyabo chiye campaign chinse chikwa cyo mubunge tawa ni gokora bona agutama ali asa menya akunganya agenda chiamenya sangao elinde araba epa araira ni chibesa chiaye mtuge ndo tutagete tuuze sera asaba na inchi na ende IBC etenene imara implement code of conduct onyo monto okoleta fujo onyo monto ko bribe abantu monto yawe disqualified tabaze kutenena kusabe fined koseko genda babe disqualified tabaze kutenena chikura biya muno
lakini binte bien speaker obigo chena gokorekana na bokonyorana muntu tukanire nari neri mocho na boigo niga ganiri kwe mukiru getamukire getindikiri chiko akwe fine na bintu binde gocha okonyorana oria ubwatu neri mocheri gani gakominyoka paka seke gambiro ogendo bekaria onyoraga court order gakoratenene na koje ne fine eri mwate bana mugane tiko mwako sine ya 1.5 million for example na ndi aratenene gwa kiomige ibisi kiatere kiabekirugaria egetango na ki karate nini pake kine keiga giachira gotegererwa nyone tari gabuka nonye na sense mu yogwikirania obokorerie ebe constituency ebe na ne county ebe na serikali enene emerubire nere gochia chaka nyona sense meria magendero lakini ekina kiagenda kiabekyo kiaratenenia ebintu binga bunebiga ribolire igandiri na onye keroyo magakomnyuka guchia se ekigambiro ogendo chikonyore court order na boigo egetango kiabekwiga ebintu ebini bigoche gwikirana na gwikiranirwa kurwa nsemo ya magendero na boigo nonye nase ensemo eyiga yende yokwimukira abantu bitambokere kero bachire mamincha asengencho bona abantu bagotara iga free anda abwatari mocho asengencho
mbuya mono sana omurari na kiye kogera tuaretete constitution yenya 2010 constitution yenya igetagete kero muntu bo maene bo ayebosikwe onye kwaletire gento nchena kero lirange gente kinke bwata magoso igo nkomonyoka ase court of law kero na chire garia court in all fairness ige gwente ko beke injunction kwarori so that whatever you are doing getene niwe ekere giatene niwe toragamba ngo na inje ngeguribaga nde isi my objections ntebenga ongo pinga asengenchu yekene court yetegerere at the end of the day court ngochere koruwa musi etebenga egente kyo genderera nakyo gose aya to genderera nakyo twarorire ngana ki oyo nabwate every issues chigwente koba addressed egento keronkeri ngana ki delaying yani ebina biko ba delaying ebikoire mude ntambe asenge nchoroje chikoti yete jere chinke abana chebi natobwata abarabake bona naboko genda ofairie gento asenge ncho ya work road yeri yororo kwanyoranga kwa irwe tariki ya mutu kwa ile tariki ya mutu igobana ngento kiriki yaro koru ikagete ne kero agase ngenjo kimoja nike guriki ba kenganda de gokora ekina kiriki yago chakoba irrelevant because igo chakoba overtaken by events so ekereke gotene nigwa mbuya ne koti nkolikirira ngana ki ngento kike gotene ndiri gotene bintu byose okore project kike gotene niwe ekoti yaro ngana ki oyore isiri important issues heavy issues sigane iri kwanza kuligirirwa arafu ekwire ndeye manyego gotene nigwa ne imbanga na abide find bono yo na abide find nonye 5 million asengenjo ya political malpractices na achire kotini na nyolire maybe na nyolire advantage ekoti yarate ni tinga akana temina tinga tingo chagwakana igemine tingana ki nkorangeri gwode koti uri kwa ngake fine na incho monyene noonde ingetete na yeko gukwana muno amagosa ane na akoreta at the end of the day omona chebi no ri oregari nkomekiare judgment ekera mekiri judgment omona jori ebina nero kurigere libona ari ringa abanaba oyo noyo asebinte bibare isiri ningore boronge ngonye bado nkorekana mbota magoso I will pay justice can delay but eventually goika onyoru na maino yeri chiko bona
goika bwakane
nego ikonyoru na maino yeri chiko goika bwakane ne ile miaka fulani goika bwakane muna bone kinangiyo kegendere to monta kwere santroga I'm sorry to mention it ingana iriko ikwanira ikine kitro chingegendere abantu bali bona mbajake tikorora konye batimogete bachakira kora ona ngari chiko ngobabwatarire so it might look slow but at the end of the day amatunda ngochale kororekana bona
Yamaro mancho mulire abona se ensemo entangani chirekere 32 chinsesano chiabona mambia sabona nigo tokuragenda so mutimo komoke turasi mirichiruka na kurabuntoirane asensemo yende ya kabere toskare ne TV yao.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi Obutindi no bosombasi amate Ninki kere tokore
Asama rieta ngoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togo konya abantu bari amaruna amaryogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togo konya abantu buna umwana funzi orenge kwende university ongere gutumia amaruna amaryogo yogotindi amosariri wana yaikireke wango guikaru arigo panya oroyo onde orenge kwende kanisa utigire onge yakonywa amaryogo yogotindi na amaru abasari eryo twabaretaga Betami twabarwali erinde ubugima bwabo bwirane gochaso ubugima obi
Twa Christmas number 0706380913 Betami Rehabilitation Center lichi buri gukora chingatale icyobutindo. Chuo kikuu cha Tangaza tumebobea katika kozi zifuatazo: PhD in Education, Masters in Theology, Bachelors of Arts and Communication, Diploma in Law, Certificate in Counseling Psychology. Tunafundisha TVET courses kama vile ICT, Diploma in Teacher Education. Tunafundisha lugha ya Kifaransa na Kijerumani. Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi katika anwani inquiries@tangaza.ac.ke au tupige simu kwa nambari 0722204724 au 0711713910. Unaweza kututembelea katika chuo chetu mji wa Karen, jiji kuu la Nairobi, Lang'ata Road. Tangaza University, kuelimisha akili, kugeuza mioyo na kubadili maisha. Ubugima n'urugendo rubwatamange amaya n'amabe. Umusa Kitolinet Nyambane niga ngaririe imena isiko ya gusi na gusanga naba yaeteire nabako yaetera.
Nchekera na ibole twe undango tebiwa ndabona ibole tukinde buya ngakina kinde buya ekera na chiko ikemia kasta ngachaka ngondifero po uroira samagoro wani kamenya gutokanga na twaliro bana ona wachagete
aya nime yo muroberyo bumwenori kirali tukule Jumatano chinsabiri chabutuko imeya Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi. Eye Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi.
Karibu nando mwanchomo rire mambia bone twendera gusanga ase ubwagare ase twatigera gendera gutume ujumbe yago igabu ingananire gakura se ensemo ekwamereria serikali iregaiga of course abuno kurkwetera se kiama kirikia UPA kubwatana likwene kiana buna nsemere kwamereria serikali ensemo ya United Alternative Government ubwo buingo chabore ase ensemo yaino korende ekera tukurana paka sorongo rwagusi gwetera se kiama kiria uyo kuliekero kyobrai wense Dr. Fred Matiang'i ase kiama keliare na boigo bali bakumusira okomochikolie ng'ananera yekorukwana double chance of course kwa rara bange bakoyekwanira weya bayakonyarana bali barase kambiae bagotera nerekera lituko especially SSM ya babunge gochocho bakabaseneta gocha at the same time abana bali nainde baachire nsemo yende moyene ko kwalinda mwananchi na ande barosire movement yende na inde bono chinga kichinyinge ya chakira korokanana nigo barase movement yiga ya linda mwananchi ye korokina nigo bagwa kumupira arakabere na inchirate yo muntu ranyari gotenoro bawo katikatia gwikochore ensemo eyemo igoro yengane yiga engima sengencho ya chakira koleta ubututukana
Biyama no muralia. Engane ina very delicate. Engane ina very delicate. Na ndinga teko chaka koteba nche muna kawaida na ndio muna nkora ateba. I'm one of the first people as a county ya Nairobi bacha kete ku support Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i kobe president ya Kenya. Na ende chama ya ya UPA no we did a lot como prepare ili ende attend through our house. Ncha seli buri riao yarorekanire ababunge kadhaa kurugusi bagotara no mheshimiwa Sifuna naroro mheshimiwa Onyonka naroro mheshimiwa Kibagendi naroro nonyene Ngoko they are trying gotara na mheshimiwa Sifuna ase kiombekelikia ali na mwananchi omanyete igere kabiri na ndego pende njirora kerenge na bera atuke nga ekere bakonya kobera na Sifuna igo bagotema go pull marches chiri cha Sifuna towards Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. But again na bego chakoba very expensive because once kuwa mekiri Sifuna popular nga kibono go chakokora omotebi naenda support Matiang'i because chinguru chao Jonespi igogenderete go chibeka alia
university ya seketa
Sifuna ogenderete go campaign li Sifuna bono our political climate muna togo kwa na iga ikonya kogenda ikonya ko wave muna togo kwa na iga omonto lemesa Sifuna aso kuru opposition omonto lemesa bono iga Sifuna asinge njime kutana ya kolire naenda akonyora support kuru asaba bunge mbali so nje nane ko chakotebi abashimiwa baito iga abashimiwa nto basigete na ndento banjite lakini siasa sire basi nyitiracha sire basi ne riri twensi pitu wabere siasa onye mota getego konya endugu yeito Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i abe president kindly make sure nga muatalire nere wherever he goes no more nere ekera ko gene mekutano no more nere na ende abantu munabona Onyonka is a good politician already no nyeno yonde Kibagendi is a good politician
lere bakumuru ko morandi Onyonka
yes bagwenderete ko konyo mheshimiwa Fred gokora ground mobilization so that Fred ekera ko chikogendo mukutano onyora abantu igobara abangi mheshimiwa Fred igabera sigasi ya serikali ya matuka amangi lakini amagana active politics yeito ya kawaida isika mbuanga achaka so ebinto binde mbiri biramu bache balende kero Onyonka ekere Kibagendi yaroro they should advise him abana agwenete kutara nabo abana bagwenete ko closer nere kororire erinde umaarufu ya yekoleki eka ni irikororeka nga ikere Matiang'i yako enda asikete na abwata wabunge no nyengo etani watano na abwate senator kororire na abwate no nyine chi governor chigwene ndiko toko but unfortunately governor eroteli gotoko yokonyora na babunge ako lakini lende munabona agenda gusia elia amatanga bubazi tindochi uri na babunge abango onyora ngasa kogenda kando kwanyora babo Kibagendi bachira asikete no bakale na Sifuna. That is very dangerous because ko imoki more Sifuna igoro Sifuna kera imokire igoro gocha ko more tanze ko convincing nga support Matiang'i na kongusana because kolengana na nchi na experience ya nembata ya siasa it is unlikely nga Matiang'i na be president Sifuna be debut they both come from one region te konyarekana
Kalonzo ngaikwa mwera na ababandi
yone kero turadika Kalonzo
yewa
nga Matiang'i abe president Sifuna bo mo debut te konyarekana wana mabinaro le chibisa chiko circulate nga Sifuna rinda mwananchi mbaumerana na Dr. Fred Matiang'i which is a good sign tutageta abantu bachamo we match the numbers to chamo kabisa balende kuikabalengereri as a presidency Sifuna ta gotoka na Matiang'i atoke teko nyarekana
oyo monaro goiterera
oyo mo ikasukensa yabona aruno ine kene bakwenda bakumira ndako ikabate bani yake ngana ki endu dunyitorega oyo mo iko gakoreke asukense abe cabinet secretary gosabe ni riwata maitina ni ningo lakini lenda soko leta Sifuna ange aseganga ya Matiang'i kuligi chikura goikame kisho solidified ekwende region ya yabe solid now people from western region where Nyancha is included abantu ubonse bakwende kounga Matiang'i okoboko abaruya babwate na bengi ya sara ikukuwa na about 6 million 4 million waka chikura kwa rodi abantu abagwende ko baleta amo agambe nabo kuzudi bamunge mukono nje muno mogusi njede supporter ya Matiang'i. Mwana ominto mwana ominto the leader ya mwananchi Sifuna tabu ati magosa ndonse no muntu omya is very bright but ya sebono nchemate ngokorere campaign so njenge ntunaje kumusanga lingana ki karomo kemaje ngene romo ne bade miaka nero Sifuna lalacho kuboni na lobora ngakiende ogocha kuwa bamba ngokuunga mukono bachamo ekere bachiramo pamanye kokwana na Kalonzo pamanye kokwana na Gachagua bonsi pibachamo ndotake tikorora okuwatene kana kakoro ndotake tikorora carries statements muna bono tigango tebe nago tebe ngana bere politics for some time eni ntombire nkoligereria bire carries in nature Gachagua akarwe statement moisonde
Igorech tourist
etarenge ngiyaro kwarore atulende kere statement leta lingia ngogwenda gokosoa Gachagua njubiri na secretary general ya Jubilee kogenda galirwe statement yo gokosoa Gachagua that should not come from us. That should not come from us. Erawangana kingwa kamwane umupira ochire. Maybe your teammate umupira uli mukuni roko. Naye naendo gotebie refu ngabano ngoyo bwati. So ekere Jubilee ko rusika Gachagua ko ama goso naende Gachagua ama yenga Gachagua no tole timu yemo na totoke mete chikura chiti chiama cyo mulima agari ale taumurire Matiang'i bono igonaki. Korore igobono tuguso akwe na chama go ndutuweka. So before we speak anything, before we say anything, before we write anything, tolengereri sana because we need Kalonzo for Matiang'i to be president. We need Kalonzo, we need Gachagua, we need everybody in the opposition. Let us not expose our weaknesses as avant. So Korena said what I'm saying, Nick. Onyonka egasinengi yakora. Kibagendi egasinengi yakora. But my brothers, I'm requesting you, whatever you are doing, moche moge kore ase nyombe ya Fred. Ese Matiang'i ali. Tuwaga ati nyomba ya ito kuri nyomba litangane. Tiako ori chinguru, karibwa moire chinguru to gocha konyara kumuiki. Akonyo rotiri rochira rigoro, ale keda chira rigoro liarure. Muna bono rocha gende te gutiregesa kweke. Agotira. In fact rocha kide gotira bona ata gotani Matiang'i na ende. Ani wala gotani Matiang'i, wala kira ende gocha kwa wao. Anda bamura baita na ubako musupport. So we need to be very careful. We need to be very very careful. Muna togo kale ourselves, muna togo relate amongst ourselves, muna bantu bo position na kitoko strategy ya ito na kitoko kole bintu. Na boko nyoranga na ki onyonka arengeretinga bono eliange ndali yangi kumungwana uli Sifuna ange elinde moege achega. But in the process yoko moega na boko kanyara kwa moment chingu liogo lino lionzi ndiyo ranyu tabwati side effect kwalore okolengana ki side effect nga ichire
na libana ne lyo moto
nga ichiko engera kwalore libana ne lyo moto bono nyoko koranga kogenda gali kobera ne linda mwana ichikonya kamokore achirali ngomutirio ore na ndora base ko no bukombe bwaho no ura abu atiri bukombe bwayo bobuo karuo roro ni nchuga tara na Fred arole kanene chi senator arole kanene chi governor muna igoro kwa roche bunge kere bachete senate bachete senate bare green
tena ba boy kana chilocas
babegete chisut. That is what we want. Otutakete koigwa asamanto bali baito tele okero muntu gokwana igoro ya Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i tadi lazima tosoe Jubilee na
bako benyombe ngao
lakini we can support Dr. Fred Matiang'i kurwa where we are from our parties because no manye tengana ki ekalije ito no muguzio muntu akonyomera mwa esa igayaye lakini bone kero mugambia nchetenga party nile bwate network tigagende anyomerari na into we agreed balene kero tu agreed itemira tingana kingo tokoro chinyomba chete ngatoka nde Jubilee. We are not going to Jubilee. Ndio toko support Matiang'i from where we are. Our aim ni lingana ki yokuhakikisha nga Matiang'i obeire president abalende. Matiang'i alikocha kuligi chi kura kurwe nyomba yae kurusa iga yae
yarocha kumobera rais
yarocha kumobera rais muna bono for example nabera nyalekane nga bahati mbaya God forbid oligiri chi kule chitaraira lakini kirari nyomba yae onyoli aba MCA onyoli aba bunge onyoli G senator onyoli aba governor kwarore ndaizi bono kogenda gokore coalition na muntu ndebwenzi ofamile serikali lakini moinoga asare ukombo bwe nyombe esa ige ya Jubilee bono mente na bakobera agaria anyola wajumbe anyole nini lakini bado echameli ne yabande party leader no Uhuru Kenyatta Uhuru ndokelea okwana na ki okaltede at the end of the day tari gochiko benefit mono munale gochiko benefit through ase chama yae because igako guchikura kabota bajumbe kabota chi governor kabota ba MC ago tuwale say kwarori asikiri mune party leader lakini ali moino bajumbe ngotoka baro chi governor ngotoka chiro lakini ye party ere yo monto monga siasa yekere mogocha kogosana bora nyolenga interest bonero no nyino mheshimiwa Uhuru igabwate interesting maybe Ruto akoreki arubugambe ekere gocha konyarekana ngatera nyarekana nga Ruto rubugambe wana gocha kanyaro change mind onyori friend ngao
kogosana nkora na omogosana
onyori friend ngao kanyori friend ngao amanya gota be friend oma tae bono ngako bigete mune deputy party leader bono na bokoreki bono na bokogenda ochioro sie party yao kwarori
okay.
So bosani mboye bore permanent ya siasa na enmity tayere permanent as siasa monto ta kongaina
na kochora na asensemo yende kochora a flag bearer asensemo ya opposition liberal ya chakira na norocha se political climate yenchirere asikumona asensemo ya opposition na ki flag bearer egocha kochoro na kyuko iwana because na bange bare gochakira kuro western ogende gochinyanza oche ogende gochikatikati ga Rift Valley kuchiete goche northeastern gochiete gochistern mwironga basi baba kalonzo bakuro pako kore central once pikere region ne bwato monto flag bearer
buyama no muralia omanyete amagosa atonyorete karuri tangani no gokora murayo nde bwensi gocha ogocha e principle kwarori bona konyeto bwate mati anye principle tukatwara karonsi principle tukatwara Gachagua principle tukatwara Mada Karua principle tukatwara Justin Muturi principle tukatwara Eugene Wamalwa principle
Gachagua principle
tukatwara Gachagua principle bona principle yende agesekire ekoro kwa Sifuna kwarori bona chi principle yakoro yake cyabere chinyinge lakini rende abuno otore
tokonyara gotama
abuno otore nto gotama oikato ikaranse toiguane totewaningana ki ninki tokaneti gokora erenga ite nene neririye no korigyo burai kosino korusirutu ekerogo toko igwana no korusirutu ekerogo tumanye ko igwana ngai kitoko morusi because into kogenda twensi teko nyalekana ngamati nyate na Jubilee
no mura ibensi na rauta yabana inu agenda one term lakini agenda na rate hiyo
yes teko nyalekana ngamati yangi atene na Jubilee karonsa atene na Wiper na noyondate na DAP Kenya Eugene Wamalwa ngasoto wale presidential candidate chinyinge na Rutaro ngatomugwe muna toko twara presidential candidate ibere iga
agwe takatikati
Ruto gagotubua mambi na mapema so goikatueline toikarasto tebe our aim no kurusio mungwano yekerogo ne onyitari kumurusio kerogo goikatoikaransense toiguane tochoro monto oyomo ayimuna twagochora ayigore team leader igo twagochora mune team leader tari twagochora ngagore igore umuya gwetania babandi igo twagochorire ngogore team leader onye twagochorire igore team leader which means goiko okorega ase go to represent amaoni itonzi nayo okoraki nayo nyabwata
yo gukorera asire kichiri kyatikeire ange isato iga chirigere tinye chomweri aso gukorera mambya ya bono no kurana sesemu ye bunge ya Westlands bono ase obwango mono of course ekiamane kya UPA na nayo munyakero kuru ase county ya Nairobi gotera se kiamekiga kya UPA liyuko lyago guchiase omwakie kura ensemo ye bunge ya Westlands emambya ya bono ndereli akarokeria tugukorera
ndiya mano moralia na ndo ngaberake ntake tukukwana iga inche muna omonyakerogo bwe chama ya UPA ase county ya Nairobi twakorire meroberi ntogende twakore meroberi emenge na ile twakorire nyorite bwango iga ntwa watu mukutano bwa basai twareko basomi koro ya democracy na roli yabo neririye ngakibago shape Kenya ye ebe democratic omaete bono yaikire asokonyora basai no bagutumika bo baye guchibesa no bako bachiguni omairio bagenda gali bachi gukwerororo so twakorire mikutano emenge kurumaega na ndo mukutano no leto chigete bono na ende bwa basai togochi gukorera se county ya Kiambu tutagete connection atwasomiria abasai kabisa tuwabaire enough skills elinde participate asoburai bwenseye tutatiko batabina kibago participate bali go participate through kuruta magena kurama abantu kurwania abantu no otutagete tuboro kinchira kibara participate koleto burayi buya babwate chikura baimoke mambi basomia bande ngakiyo gwa kachikura batoke vituo bake chikura bale kama mobilization yakoraki erorekane that is basically what we are doing so nto kireti we are doing everything possible na intu tokendete kwibanga mune bima binde bikwibanga ntwe presidential yaito presidential candidate yaito Dr. Okengo Matiang'i ntobu ati monto nde Dr. Okengo Matiang'i nere to baraki nere to kounga because no nyombe etole amwa etole so ntokendete okole emireme mingi ase county ye kuhakikisha nga no ene umaarufu ye chama ye yakira se ground yakire ground bono maetekere chama netagetengo abantu nguchiko kuligi bari chikura kuri ebyama mbali mbali
na ino wikamugania babwatani
ino wikatogania abantu bago cha kuligi chikura so we want to make sure nga tuikire ali ground twaletera mabadiliko twaigure nki abantu bago kuana amaliri yabo narali twanyale because ntukunya tole gokuana tunyakwane so that to nyakwane tutebya abantu bali bari Burayi inga ebinte binebi mbisaligete konya abayiga mari to ko opposition busa
yeba
ko opposition na ideas oyiyo batabanga agenda ito one time agenda ito ali one time omanyete ga etweke go konye bantu baramumanya warori lakini bono this is the second term ngonye yere a second term bono go ikoro kya bantu kya korire bamanye ko machora muna bono ntake to ko boli ekera bataba magana guni zimwale bataba igoro ngachiguni kwani abantu bali betu bete baka amaizo waiga bako na nechigali kitabwa ki number plate balimba ntokiaba balimba ntokiaba some of them nabasikali some of them nabasikali nye bali abasikali ngiye kwa bago ita abantu abasikali bali
liboli ndi nanga ibakuru sinyone ne chibunduki
ngai bakuru kiti agasi ngai bakuru chibunduki chigali kiriwa kibago tara no tare gali tabwa number plate sike kurwano ike moino gali nonye
akongsa
to kunyara gusuka ukizonga tu hivyo ikobu atu so wikato chake utara kuane gentu chakira kwa abuza nyumba mwao na inde ndakatokora ko sabo murai bwenseiga omurai bwense twabere nere chama ya ODM amatukama yaka kwa rodi no muntu muya sana asikeri ichiko bona asa ikiye abana inchi nabo barahamwe nabuka barahamwe bamogeze tam kose bakoreki kose mbamogeza tam bati inche asa marane na alingana ki asiga asia kolire lienke elienka akolire bono yaisanire tigagende ngati moke na intu tora so Burayi nito muoro kina kiense korao asenge nje binte binge byachire gabo bogeza kubwe ichoire ebinto binde byakolekanire bibe bino tutakwanega warode police station cha onchegara ni ya baosi esi ba iri wa left right center mondo letire bisa kubya yo bekiroro abantu bako ibachibeza abantu bako tare weekend ne chibeze uni bakonya kubagira abantu kogenda chibeza chiringa ichi kuri itali taxi yo mwana inchi
okay
bono Oburayi bwa musinyire na ende ne right yana ko tayango Burayi bwa musinyire ne right yana ko mwakere kura ko seko takoraki utamwakere kura lero murali to gotara no bwoba na bongo be studio yao gaiga mbwate runsega nsega
kama itinanki
na ndio ni police station na ndio choko ngana kiyo mheshimiwa nyo twarenga nerega mheshimiwa nyo koreki ubuliri itali ero Kenya tutagete mheshimiwa Ruto atwaro bumaye bwaye mheshimiwa Matiang'i atwaro bumaye bwaye kero muntu atwaro bumaye bwaye na ndio tokwa nechinkwa na cyo kuagacha undeta aramunde tokoli siasa ito chisera muna bona twateberenga bwa musinyire na rate bena asiki mutara musinya abana inji bakoreki bamwe muna bona ni mete nguchi kuamwa abale bamuireka na ragenda atimoke
liyo kugochiase umumenye Westlands eda ikanayam
watu wangu wa Westlands nataka kuwashukuru sana. Mimi nimeishi Westlands kwa muda mrefu na nimetafuta uongozi wa Westlands kwa muda mrefu. Imefika wakati huu nawaomba munipatie nafasi niwafanyie kazi. Najua kwamba anaenda kuwania kiti ya ubunge ya ugavana pale Bungoma. So kutakuwa na hiyo nafasi na wananchi wataenda kura. Hata kama angekuwa bado tu tungeenda kura. So ningewaomba kwamba munipatie hiyo nafasi ili niweze kuwafanyia kazi. Mimi nimekaa Westlands muda mrefu. Ward zote iwe Backlands, iwe Kangemi, iwe Mountain View, iwe Karura, iwe Kitusuru, wote zote nazijua vizuri. Tumeinteract na wananchi hapo vizuri. Mimi ni mmoja wenu, tunakula suguma na nyinyi, tunakunywa maji pamoja na nyinyi. Mimi nilikuwa naomba hivi, munipatie hii uongozi ndio tuweze kusaidiana. Nitawafanyia kazi safi, nitawatengenezea sheria bungeni, nitaangalia mali yenu isiibiwe na nitawawakilisha sawa sawa kuhakikisha kwamba watoto wetu wameenda shule, shida zimetuondokea, wamama nitahakikisha kwamba mmekuwa empowered, vijana nitahakikisha kwamba mmeingia tertiary institutions ili muweze kusaidika. So nawaomba kwa unyenyekevu kwamba muweze kunisaidia na muweze kuhakikisha kwamba mmenipigia kura. Mimi majina yangu ni Ronald Nyoro, mimi nasimama na chama ya UPA. UPA ni United Progressive Alliance. Hiyo ndio chama nasimama nayo, na hata wakati wa last election mnakumbuka wakati wa 2022 Nilisimama nikitafuta kiti ya MCA pale Mountain View Ward na chama cha UPA, na mimi ndio mwenyekiti wa kaunti. Kwa hivyo nitasimama Westlands constituency kama mjumbe kutumia bado hicho chama cha UPA. Okay. Kwa hivyo nawaomba munipigie kura ndio tuweze kusaidiana, tusemezane, tuongee kwa upole. Sisi ni ndugu na data. Maneno ya ukabila hakuna. Sisi wote ni wana Westlands, sisi wote ni wa Kenya, tusaidiane. Okay. Na mwisho nawaomba Mungu awabariki sana kwa kazi zenu zile mnafanya. Awaongezee na wasidishie. Nimesema mimi ni mmoja wenu, najua vile mnafanya juhudi, najua mahali mnaumia, najua mahali mko na shida, na ndio nasema mimi peke yake ndio naweza kuwasaidia.
Bia mono. Imana asuko sangatua sangire mambia ya bono na wikira buno to wikira umwerio ase elia rero chinkwane chigo gose muno kwanira ayabwatikene no brai no bokora liki ujumla ntongandira ko yakwanira asingi chisa chia tonyorira abuno to korekera umwerio turanyore libagana inde guchia eikiende ntongandira gusanga ase ubwagargendera kubwati mirubirende yatigera ase ritukurigima wika elia nkyo na inde na litoromera chisa chia mogoroba Eliane Ishmael Mogere.